You can expect a lot from the 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.